I think it's a bit loud, if I'm not mistaken. I think that should be much better now. It's not really static. Okay. I think it should be fixed now. Okay, let's get into it. I hope you guys are doing good. If you guys have not yet done so, please smash the like button. Let's share it with our fellow traders, and let's get into it. Start off looking at the day, so we can see Asian high untested. So that's definitely something we'll be looking at. My only concern about this pair is how far it must pull back. Basically, I definitely are bullish on it. I would say maybe after we can sweep these lows, this level, and maybe we could get a reaction around this level in this demand zone, potentially get a little long short-term trade just to target the Asian highs basically. I just want to share the link out with everyone, let everyone know that I am live. What pairs do you guys want to look at? Is there anything specific you guys want to be looking at? Let's throw step on here. We have to look at step. Price in the 1 hour. Oh. Looks like it's breaking below that level. No, it's not at that level yet. So this is a level me and Tommy looked at still. Just throw in our Asian session. So Asian low is untested. Asian highs untested. Interesting. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay. Yeah, sorry, like I said, guys, just had to sort out a meeting quickly in the morning. I think we should be good now. Okay. Let's see in the chat who's here. Rian, how's it, my man? Hope you're doing good. Lucrecio, I'm good, man. I'm good. Hope you're doing good. Rian, thanks, man. It's about time. It's about time. We had to make it happen. Hey, Slash, my bad, man, guys. We are still in the process of planning and so forth. So there is some new equipment coming in the next few weeks, and then I will obviously up the stream a bit. There's a few other things I also have in mind to improve the stream a bit, but you have to be a bit patient. So we have Crash over here, we have Step over here, and let's look what other pairs we'll be looking at for the session. So let's look at V75 because I know we looked at it yesterday. Start off on the 4 hour. So initially it looked like price started flipping bullish over here at this point. Regarding the 4 hour, it seems like we have supply zone up here. So looking at this as well, the open of the week, price breaking to the upside, so we should potentially have sales coming in this week for V75. So this is a zone I'll look to trade into, depending on the structure. So over here as well, we can see price basically in the Asian range. I would like to see price taking out the Asian low, and then basically looking at what price happened over here. We can see that we basically have this. Okay, we can see this as liquidity over here basically. Well, I would say, yeah, let's mark it out as this over here, and then the demand zone over here. So I would like to see V75 trading to this level before we can look for longs. Okay, so that is Step, Crash, and V75. Let me see what else we have on the table here. What Jump is doing. Okay. So price. Okay, on the daily looks like price is bullish, so we'll continue targeting the highs. So initially we want to see price target this high and target this high over here. Okay, so that's the points of interest. Morning, Andreas. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Let's mark out the Asian range. Very interesting what's happening over here. Tidal engine range, still untested both sides. So initially I would see this as the liquidity, meaning yesterday's low. And if I take it a bit further, so break of structure, this area more or less guys, I'll be right back. I just want to make myself some coffee real quick. But initially this zone here I would want to get into. I want to see price trade down into this level so that we can look for potential longs. Okay. V10. Okay, got you. Let's look at V10. Okay, so V10, you said V10. Yo, you guys like this weird pair with the weird stop loss? So looking at what price is doing over here, looks like we're going to continue targeting these internal week lows. So on the daily, literally, this is the last high which price is left. So that only when price gets breaks bucket level, we can flip bearish. I mean bullish. So right now, still going to be bearish on the pair. Let's see if we can get to the 4 hour real quick. And also, let's just mark out the open as well. So this is the open of the month, you can say. Oh damn. 1 second quickly. Okay, so price for towards the upside. So let's see what's happening here. So price only swept that level, no clear break. Okay, interesting. Okay, swiftly mark out the Asian session. So price breaking below that level, breaking below the lows. Interesting. Let's just look on the 1 hour quickly, because in the point of interest. Okay, so the way I see it, here's liquidity, and then here we had a demand zone with a fair value gap. So I'm not gonna buy this because initially I want to be looking for a sell. But this is the potential reaction where you might get price pushed to the upside to target that Asian high basically. So maybe just keep an eye on it over there. That random kid, hey Jeff, I usually save chart layouts in the top right corner to the left chart properties to save my analysis. Do you mean like am I referring to okay, I see what you mean. Let's see. quickly see something. Ah, okay, I see that random kid. That random kid. Love you for that, my man. Thank you. Now at least I know how to save my analysis. Okay, thanks, man. Montiel Faro. Hope you're doing good, man. Bro, do you know how long I've been thinking about you now for the past few months? And for some reason I can't get hold of you because I don't have Facebook and you don't have Instagram. Yeah, Montiel, hoe gaan het samen, jong? How's the trading been going? Are you still trading with the Riv? Just give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna make myself some coffee quickly. So, yeah. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I actually found something bigger than Coke. But let's get into it. Hey, Ed, hope you're doing good. Good. Oh, of course, just bagged a few clubs of the boom 1000 short, made it in your sleep. Nice, man, Montiel. Nice. Montiel, die met my contact, man. Aan zijn contact kom. Now that you're actually here, bro. Ons moet praten, Montiel. Ons moet praten over die future van die Faroes. Let's see us on the market here for us. Oh yeah, and also V10 one is as well, eh? Sorry guys, just having a bit of a weird morning now. I'm gonna stay here now and be focused. Quarter move of V51S as well. Yeah, and I know Montel V51S has been a baby of yours, been a baby. Just look at this V10S here. You can see the price is making lower lows. The lows look weak. Yeah, it's definitely lower lows. Look at the structure it was formed over here. It was supply. It's really hard to mark out a level like that, or a pattern like this. So I would say it's technically still untested. The Asian high, and if you look at the internal, so lower low was created. There was a change of character. And then I would say this would be the demand. So somewhere around here. So I want to see price break all the way down to these levels before looking for longs. Solid, ran all the way down, nothing for me. I actually don't think I will have a trade set up this session, purely on how price is moving. Waiting for a false move down so I can buy again, but I'm really good for the week, so I'm looking my hand. Now all good, Montel, all good, man. Montel, alsjeblieft, message mij. Hier is mijn nummer. Alsjeblieft, Montel, message mij, bro. Als we moeten praten. Weet je of je weet, Montel, wat de man gaan een daddy wees? Man, de baby op pad. Let's see what else we have here on the table for us, guys. Like I said, I don't think we're gonna have anything else. The market's really a lot of the stuff already moved. Let's look at V100 Jadians, baby. So you can see here also price targeting lows. The lows are weak. Price is forming lower lows. Little 4 hour. Guys, please like the stream. Please share it with your fellow traders, family, friends. Let's get some more people in here. Hopefully, the more people here are, we'll always find a setup. I think we took in total about 5 trades on the stream, and we hit 4 winners and I think 1 loss. So, I can't even remember. I have to go count and do a stream journal for you guys. Well, let's get it. Let's get some people in here. Let's empower some people. So I would say break below. So here's that supply. Supply zone was nice and respected. Let's look to the 50-minute, and that's also end of the month. So we could see a further fake move coming in. So if you look at structure, we can see then, I would say, here's a change of character. Price forming even lower low, so I would say, okay, take it a bit further. The supply over here. That random kid, no, there's no correlation, my man. There's no correlation that I'm aware of. As far as I understand, they do whatever they want to do. I just go refine this a bit. I do have a concern about that level because price might retrace a bit more up, but obviously we'll just follow our rules here for our entry. And we can see over here we do have that little fair value gap as well. So break above the box, that's good so far. I like what I see, but now I just want to see it trade all the way up to that level. I would even consider sells here potentially. I would even consider sells if they do a turtle soup, yeah. Oh, you guys can hear the music in the background, eh? There is music playing. Just let me know. We'll kind of sound like feel like a funeral home. Okay, we're waiting for the setups here. We're waiting. V75. The trend line liquidity, I want to see it be taken out actually. Crash 1000. Let's load crash. Ooh, interesting. Interesting, guys. I'm actually gonna take a little buy here. I'm gonna take a little buy. Plan is we might become liquidity on this pattern, but it is a change of character. So I'm gonna take a small buy then crash 500. Literally a small buy, purely because of what price is doing. So what I'm actually gonna do is I took my buy. We'll go for a 12 pip stop. So 355. So my stop loss is here. And I'm in. Very simple here, guys. We target the high. And then around this level, we'll take our first DP level. Yeah, in there. Ek is in daar. Damn. My only concern is with this. Another level, yeah. That's why I say must just be mindful. We could become liquidity for the Riviera, but it's fine. And I know what the liquidity is after that. But let's see what happens over here. Because also we are trading within the Asian range as well still, so quite a risky play. No, I'm wrong. Yeah, technically we still... No, we have traded below it, so we have swept the Asian low. But let's wait and see. Dion, no I'm not, my man. No I'm not. I actually won't be going to the office as often anymore. Purely because of baby coming soon. So Chris does understand what's happening. And the thing is, guys, I spent a shitload of money on transport. So I told Chris with baby on the way and everything, like, and I wanna stream from home. It's much more comfortable for me to stream from home, whatever the case. So yeah, I spend about 3,000 a month on Uber. You know, so that's a shitload of money, and I'm tired of doing that. So and the thing is with the car that I'm waiting for, that because like I have these little expenses, it limits me as well, like how fast I can fix the car. So I'm literally waiting, and yeah, so but I'm so glad Chris understands. He's really a super chilled guy. Love him to bits. Delano, welcome, my man. Hope you're doing good. Yeah, you guys, did any of you guys catch anything for the day yet? any of you guys catch anything into the day. After the 5 minute and just watch it from here. Okay. Yeah, it's a lot of money, Dion. So at least you can go from just internet. Yeah, no, definitely. That's exactly why I got myself the PC, so that I can actually work from home without any limitations. You know, so I can edit from here, I can stream from here, I can do whatever I need to do from here. You know. So break even will be, Ed, I hope you know your smallest lot size there is a 0.02, ne? Let's quickly do this. So I managed to trade here. It's quite a way up to there, but let's see. I would say 75% of the way there. So once we can get the closure above this level, we can go break even. Let's see. Yeah, I need to sort out these cables. Oh my word. If you guys have not yet done so, please like the stream. Let's share it with our other fellow traders, especially those ones who want to trade synthetics. I feel like we're really tapping into something different here. So let's get it. Let's get it. Okay. Oh damn. Pullback. Ridwan, Post Bobby, welcome guys. Please like the stream if you guys have not yet done so. Really appreciate it. And Ridwan, I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. How are you doing? How are you doing? See what's happening here on Crash. See also the size of the candle. This candle also indicates to me that okay, that the seller strength is now losing control. If there was a stronger push, then I definitely would have closed it. But the fact that we literally from the from the low to the high, that low to that high, we literally just at the EQ, equilibrium overhead level. So we will see what happens on price now. Literally, let's do this as a fair value gap. So we'll see now here what happens on price. So we'll expect price to push away from here. Sorry man, I just want to play a different playlist here. This is a bit otherwise for the vibes. I think it's this one.
We're an all-in-one platform that gives you everything you need.
Ah, this one.
You've done it again, Lord. You've done it again. You are good, and you are mighty, and you are merciful. And you keep taking care of me when I don't deserve it. Praise you, Jesus. You are Lord. Give me another one, Lord. Guide me to who you want me to help.
This guy.
Raise up more that will call upon your name. Raise up those that love you and seek you and trust you. Raise them up, Lord. Raise them up. Lord, we need a generation of believers who are not ashamed of the gospel. We need an army of believers, Lord, that hate to be lukewarm and will stand on your word above all else. Raise them up, Lord. Raise them up. I pray for unity among those that love you. I pray that you open their eyes so that they can see your truth. I pray for your hand of protection and guidance. Raise up a generation, Lord, that will take light into this world, that will not compromise when under pressure, that will not cower, Lord, when others fall away. Raise them up, Lord, that they will proclaim
Ridwan, you're gonna have to go to the riv, my man.
the name of Jesus Christ.
You're gonna have to go to the riv.
Raise up warriors, Lord, who will fight on their knees, who will worship you with their whole hearts, Lord. Lord,
I really need to get in touch with these people. I'm giving them free marketing, free advertising, you know.
I pray these things with all my heart. Raise them up, Lord, raise them up.
Oh, sorry about that. I had myself muted there because I was on I wanted to phone someone quickly. My bad. My bad, guys. Sorry. But to answer your question there, Dion, Fortnite's going good. Played a battle royale last night with Jay, and we actually won. So it was good. It was good. Um, no sell opportunities to the demand level. V10 one is no. You see, if you want to sell here, technically you're selling the Asian low. So everyone will be looking to do this now because technically, depending on how you see your Asian low, but this is the way I see it. So we can see price came to this point, it rejected, and basically price broke through. So now what happened is most people would look for that sell here, placing the stop above this level here, or above these highs here, or above that level. And that's my liquidity range. But that's why I would only look for sell all the way up there. This is why it's very important. It can sell down to your level, it can, but it's better to be disciplined and rather wait compared to trying to. I'm not saying trying to force the move, but you get what I'm trying to say, right? You don't want to be seen like it's forcing the move basically. So if you can just get a closure above this level on the 5 minute, we will start managing our trade and pull our stops to minimize that risk, because it is a risky trade. We are at the low of the day, and like I said, we do also have this liquidity down here, so we just don't want to be in the wrong side here too early in the morning. Like I said, it might be a slow day for us today. Like, here's the thing, sometimes there's a lot of sit-ups, and sometimes like there's nothing. You must join Dota. It's like trading. Once you get in, you'll never get out. What's that? Dion? Um, oh, okay, I see. Multiplayer game, Battle Arena. Okay, interesting. Interesting. I'll definitely add it to my list of games I'm looking at. It's just currently I installed. Okay, so I have Fortnite installed. I want to install more games, but if I install another game, I don't have a lot of storage left. So I don't want to add too much pressure to the PC, if that makes sense. I would rather want to upgrade my storage first before I get more games. And I'm not a big gamer guy. Obviously, I am into games, but like it's not a priority for me right now, you understand? But once like I have the storage updated, bro, the things I want to play is gonna be insane. Okay, guys, I'm gonna minimize my risk here by 50%. So stop loss is now, say, okay, make it 7 pips. Make it 7 pips, just to minimize that risk. Chris also playing it. Okay, then I have to consider it. I have to consider it. Doesn't the Dion? Don't you know any of the boys who play Fortnite? Any of the boys from the 2Gs or from the chat and so forth? Is there anyone else here maybe in the chat who plays Fortnite? Our stop was 12 pips. So yeah, it's 1-to-1. Ed, did you take this? Did you take this? Oh, let me do this. Man, I do understand what you mean by that, Dion. I've been playing for so long now, I haven't built anything. I just run for my life and then I hide. And then I wait for my teammates to to kill the other players. But now I get you. So with the building, we actually Jay also doesn't like playing with the build, so we play zero build, so then no one can build. It's only shooting. The only thing I don't like about Fortnite is, I don't know, for some reason, when I shoot someone, it's like my aimer is on him, but I can't kill him. And then someone will shoot me 2 shots and I'm dead. I'm talking about 2 shots and I'm letting go yet. And I get killed, so I don't know, man. Okay, you have to be careful now. Yeah, we're in that fair value gap before that supply, so we can potentially see some pullback coming through. Potentially, wouldn't be surprised if this happens. So just keep an eye. We'll just be careful here. Elevate Properties, morning, my man or my lady. Hope you're doing good. Damn. Oh, damn. AZ, hope you're doing good. Morning, Jeff. I'm in the straight with one lot, but how do I close? Morning, Jeff. I'm in this trade with one lot. Are you talking about crash? Are you talking about crashy? Please send me a screenshot. Send me a screenshot on WhatsApp. Because if you took the wrong crash, it's the only thing I can imagine why. But you should be able to close it. Because I have techniques where I can even enter with a 0.10 lot size, even though the minimum lot size is 0.20. Morning, Brit. Hope you're doing good. Yeah, please send it to me so I can see there, my man. Let's do it quickly. Otherwise, you don't want that thing to spike against you. If you guys remember, guys, if you guys take any trades with me on stream, and you guys do want to post it, please share it with me as well. For marketing purposes, will obviously help me a lot. Yeah, Nia, guys. Let's just wait for price to basically get. When once again we literally had like 2 pips drawdown. 2 pips drawdown only. I think, yeah, that's good. It's good. I think we've really minimized our risk here, so I think we'll actually go break even very soon. Did you see something here? Okay, so once we reach that 1-to-1 R level, we will manage the trade once again. They will stop up a bit more. Because the thing is, we also want to accommodate those spikes, because you don't know how far they will basically pull back. One lot. That is very weird, eh? Z. Z. Otherwise, I would either say, if you, I don't know, that is very weird that's happening. I would say then either close the trade or go break even immediately. Doesn't matter, because you have to protect your capital. You know, that's the main thing you have to consider now. You have to protect your capital, because if this thing goes through your stop loss, remember, it doesn't respect your stop loss. If it goes through your stop loss, yeah, it might be intense. So please, my man. Yeah, remember, yeah, Nazi, I do understand how you feel, and I would feel the exact same way. But now you've learned something about that. You know, maybe just be more considerate next time, when you enter your trades on crash and boom. This is also why I like splitting my lot sizes. So if I have let's say I want to enter one full lot, I would enter, let's say, a 0.20, 0.20, 5 of them, so I can take off profits easily as we go along. Especially also because the thing is, if you throw it all in one hit, right, in one lot, and you place a TP and price gets to your TP, the whole trade will close. Whereas you split it and you can have different TPs hit basically. without the closing at once. And but at least you made profit. You made someone's minimum wage. But yeah. So Z literally made someone's minimum wage now. Someone's daily wage he made in 35 minutes. Nah, I'm proud of him, man. You still up, you still blue, so to me that's the one in my book. Okay, 2 more minutes. And then we'll manage the trade once again. Okay, let's see if you can get a closure. 1 minute left, 1 minute 10 seconds left. You're welcome, Z. You're welcome, my man. Anytime, anytime. Guys, another banger quote. Quick and easy. One shot, one kill. So I would say, I would even take it a bit further now. Okay, let's see. 40 seconds left. 30 seconds left, sorry. And I'll be moving my stop in the next few seconds. So the stop will only be, how many pips? Only be 3.5 pips. 3.5 pips for that stop. So guys, there it is. I am managing that trade once again. We're up 1 to 1. And I will basically go break even very soon. Beautiful. Yeah. So right over there is TP1 level is 44415. So literally that little level there on the 5 minute at highest point there, 44415. 44415. That random kid, you've never done a withdrawal on the Riv before. Is it complicated? No, it's not. No, it's not. It's just the only thing that's different on the Riv. When you go manage your funds, you go to cashier. From cashier, you go to your withdrawal. Once you click on withdrawal, you'll be opted to receive a email to confirm your withdrawal. Then you receive an email. You follow the link in the email, and then you'll be able to request a withdrawal. And then depending on what you're withdrawing from, if you're using crypto, you must be on the crypto wallet. If you're on USD, must be on the USD wallet. But it's easy, man. It's easy once you get used to it. Okay. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Then we go break even. So 2 more minutes and the candle closes. Let's see what happens in the next 2 minutes. All right. Look at that. Look at that. At our break even point. 1 minute left. I think we might as well go break even. Break even, guys. Please send some W's there in the chat. Because once again, we milked the trade. We milked the trade once again. Let's get some W's there in the chat. Get some W's there in the chat. We are running risk free on this trade. Let's get some W's and some fire emojis in the chat. Lovely, man. Lovely. And then Max, I specialize in these pairs, so now that I'm back, I mean, look at our win rate. We took 6 trades on stream, 5 winners, 1 loss, all in a matter of Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday. 4 days of trading, 6 trades, 5 winners, 1 loss. Please send through some results there. Send some through some results there. We did it once again. I see some more faces here. Max, Tersha, Cutie the Cutie. There you see that little pullback. Yo, look at that pullback. Yo. It's a massive pullback. Inventory synthetics on the river count. You'll get used to it, Max. You get used to it. Definitely get used to it. Look at that. So long. Literally all that waiting. 40 minutes of waiting taken away in 5 minutes. Half of it taken away in 5 minutes. This is why we have to be patient. Now the same movement, most likely gonna have to expect price to basically wait 40 minutes just to be slightly above that break-even level again. And this is the reality of trading. And you have to basically embrace that. You have to embrace that. It's just gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen, yeah. Yeah, and at least we break even. This is why I'm so strict about managing trades and moving stop loss on these pairs, because I also know that they go through your stop loss. So for instance, why we break even so early? If there's another spike that goes through this, I won't get stopped out here. I'll get stopped out wherever the candle stops. So rather have my stop at break even here. So if anything happens, I'm still protected with the initial stop that I would have taken perhaps around that level. You understand what I'm trying to say? This is why we always must have an anticipation of what we expect price to do. There's nothing else on the table here for us. All the other boom pairs just move to the downside. So you'll see crash here. I mean boom 500. It really left the station, so I can't take it. I can't take anything here. It really moved so far. Same with the other boom pairs and also crash. I'll be right back once again. Sorry man, just with different being at home. Obviously I have to do some other things as well. But we're still in the blues. We're in the blues. Let's just load. Yeesh. Okay, it's just gonna happen here on the straight. It's just gonna happen here on the straight. Let's see if we're gonna get a TP here today. Sorry about that, guys. If there's some of our members here who need access to the drive, I'll give you guys access as soon as I have a chance. This guy says am I supposed to do? Oh yeah. Withdraw money. Supposed to withdraw money, supposed to withdraw some funds. Okay, you have a lot of messages coming through now. A lot of messages coming through. I'll have to wait to get back to everyone. Okay, so unfortunately I just received a notification here from YouTube that one of the songs I played belongs to a creator. So unfortunately I have to change things up here. Damn it, man. Where's TC when you need him? I'll get TC, one of our clients, to make us a mix. He's a good DJ. He'll know what to create for us. Something chilled, something that we can maybe use for yeah, you get my point. Let's see what we can play. But this sounds like funeral music, man. Let's try that. Let's see how this is. Okay, wait a minute, what? Let's see now. Let's see now. Let's see if I get a warning now. Let's hope I don't. Yeah, you see, man, puts me to sleep, man. This is more chilled. And this is some vibes that keeps you up. I don't know. Where's the imp? I don't know. Hey, Brit. I don't know. Where's the imp? I actually had a cool idea last night. For like a game we can play on the stream. And the game is called, you know, you guys know the saying, it is the bird, it is the plane, it's Superman. And basically, it is the bull, it is the bear. It is the bull, it is the bear. But I don't know how the game's gonna work yet. see what the other markets are doing here. Okay, so like I said, boom, there's nothing. Crash is still within this range, moving very slow, so patiently wait for price to give us some move down. Still in the range, still in the range, still in the range, still in the range. Nothing here as yet. There's that move where I say that retest, we'll potentially look for potential sales towards the downside. Nothing here yet, so it's just crash right now, guys. Just crash. Trust me, if there was something else, I would be looking at it. Let's maybe look at the jump pair. Oh, let's see what's happening here. Here's a gold basket. I've never traded these before, so let's see if you guys will witness me hit a stop loss. Yo, look at this thing. Yo, it reminds me of an actual gold chart now. It scares me. Okay, guys, I quickly want to do something, There's not a lot of us in here, but it will be interesting to see. Where everyone's minds are at. Okay, the first question is, what's your favorite trading strategy? Now, this is, feel free to answer this. I mean, it's a safe space, but also to give everyone like an idea and to open their minds up a bit more. So what's your okay, so that's a simple question there in the chat. What's your favorite strategy and why? Let's see if you guys have some answers there for that question. Okay, so Brett says supply and demand. Okay, and what's your reasoning why? What's your reasoning why you like supply and demand based? Hey, the market's playing around here and crash. I don't like it when it's doing this. I want to see straight movements, but the fact that the higher high was made, I'm still good with that. Easy spot the levels with market structure. I agree with that. I'm with you on that one. I can't say I have a favorite. There's so many approaches I have. Yeah, so for instance, let me see if I can show you guys an example quick. Let me do it on here because it'll be easier to time map and things like that. Okay, please ignore all that. Please ignore all of that. So for instance, a very simple technique you can also use is you look at your 4 hour and you basically look at structure. So let's look at over here. Okay, here we can see price broke above level. What can I use now? Okay, break of structure over here. Let's go to Monday. And the idea with this is, so you just want to see liquidity be swept. Okay, so there's actually no trade here since Monday. Here's a good example. So trend is bullish. So notice this wick over here, this liquidity point, right? Notice this. Okay, I hope I can go back that far in time now, because I haven't paid for this thing since I don't use TradingView. Go here. That's over here. So notice how this candle comes down, breaks below the level, and then goes up, right? But there's no real structure that is formed over here. Notice this, when price comes back down, it breaks below and it retests basically at this level. It also retests. But then you can see over here, price goes back into the range. Now that indicates that has been a sweep of liquidity, and also you are below the Asian box. Then literally from there, you can see that here's a demand zone. You can also see that here's a volume imbalance. And you can also see that here's an internal fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. So literally one of those two zones you could use to enter from. And you can literally just have a fixed rule, 25 pips. 20 pips, as long as your stop basically covers the low. So if that is the low, then you basically have to think about slippage. Okay, so that is basically you have to add it. So this is a commodity, so you add 0.5, so that is basically 19. That is for your spread, and then you add 5 more for your slippage. So that's how you get your stop, and you target the buy side liquidity. There you have a 1 to 3, or you can go with simple rule of 1 to 3. A very simple rule of liquidity sweep. I'm not gonna go too deep into detail with it because yeah, it's my secret, but very powerful strategy that even myself use. You guys have seen me use that same method on the streams to execute. You also use fair value gaps to further confluence. Just found my win rate was supply and demand was higher. I struggled to find profitability. Same here, man. Like for myself, like trading a lot of things in the market maker method. In the market maker method, I knew that there was something missing. Then combining that with technically quote unquote ICT, game changer. Hey Itty, hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good, Itty, bro. I thought about this morning when I woke up. I am gonna do it today. I promise. I'm gonna send that thing out today to everyone, or I'll just maybe DM you. I'll see what happens. But yeah. So Max says I was playing around with strategies to see how it works for me. So I find I always end up going with supply and demand for fair value gap, as well as using the market maker method. Nice. It's the thing is, like, for me, the market maker method and ICT, it's like you actually have an understanding as to why it happens, man. So if I just stop this, I can tell myself, oh no, I didn't consider this, I didn't consider that. Whereas if you just trade random support and resistance, I'm not saying it's wrong, but you don't sometimes understand why you hit a stop. You know, you can go back and it's just like, oh no, this level didn't hold, you know. So yeah, I don't know how to explain it. Hey, Crash is playing around, yeah. I actually might close it, but we'll see. We will see. Nothing else in the table first. Nothing else here. Oh damn. Actually. Yeah, so very slow day for us on the market here with the Riv, but also what I've come to realize, there are some days when the market will move when the market will do this, and you have a lot of moves that can take place right within that day. So you can buy, you can look for sells, you can buy, you can look for sells multiple times a day. Then you also have days, for instance, when the market purely is just trapped in a range on the Riv as well. But like I always tell you guys, there's a reason behind all of these things, because they have to set buy and sell side liquidity. They have to accumulate orders basically before moves can take place. And that's purely why I understand sometimes like why the market is slow, because they are one company, and yeah, that makes sense. I don't know if you guys saw early in the chat, there was someone here, Montiel Faro. Not sure if you guys saw him. Yeah, I haven't spoken to Montiel in literally months, and then I don't know what's wrong with his number, but hopefully they take my number, will get in touch with me. But look here guys, Montiel is a beast in trading. So I'm from Edible North, right? So let's quickly see what's happening. Yeah, okay, let's quickly see something. Okay, so there's literally no one from Edible North who basically is into trading. There's literally no one who's into trading. And oh damn, that is a BE. That's a BE. unfortunately. Our first BE on the stream, first break even. Oh, that was nice while it lasted. But my concern is also they shouldn't be doing this, because now technically this whole reaction point potentially. Wait, let me see. So that move up, break of structure. So yeah, initially we were supposed to see price break above this level with this move up. Then I would have considered conceding. But currently, the fact that it's trading back lower, I don't really trust it. Seeing that we're also at the low of the day and we have a double bottom down here. Everyone, guys, this is now not the time to force a trade, because everyone's gonna look at this as a support level. Now it could run, but I would rather wait for price. To trade a bit more to the downside before looking to re-enter again, because now also technically this demand zone has been mitigated, you know. So I wouldn't look to get in now again. And also just looking at this down here, I don't trust it. I'd rather wait for the price to trade a bit more down into this levels down here before looking for a long towards the upside. But it's okay. It happens, eh? Patiently wait and see what we can get. So what I would actually like to see potentially maybe is see this low down here. I'd like to maybe see price close below this level, doing to use everyone short. Then, only then, if this happens before 2 o'clock, if it happens before 2 o'clock and price comes back into the range, change of character internally, and I want to see that retracement and then potentially see that happen for short-term trade. But I think this down here is going to be on the table for us for later on during the day. So yeah, that's a break even. And it happens, Max. It happens. Yeah, I don't know. Hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. I'm doing good. I know I'm doing good. You know, the market's very slow, guys. There's nothing for me on the table. Crash is trapped it in that range. And technically also remember I told you guys about this trade also. You also have to consider that the Asian low was right over here. So here's the Asian lows. So price did break below that level. But my only concern is, yeah, man. That's my only concern. Don't want to feel like I'm forcing it. I'd rather miss a trade than anything. Lovely, man, lovely. Okay, so we're gonna run the stream for a few more minutes before I'm gonna have to head out. So yeah, so we've been live for an hour 57 minutes, and yeah, so I wanna at least stream for 2 hours a day every session. But yeah, me and wifey have to go to the mall quickly. I have to go pick up a few things with baby, and then yeah, but I think this afternoon stream, New York session, will start earlier. So I think we might start that one like 2:30, 2 o'clock even, and then run it until 5, 5:30, 6 o'clock. But yeah, Once again, one bullet for the session. The market's very slow. Like I said, I'm not gonna like sit around and wait for something that's not there. We did take a shot here. Unfortunately, it's a break even. We ran 1-1. Very good trade. Very good trade. Rules followed. So one in my book still. So that means we have one break even, one loss, 4 winners on the stream. Very, very good for us. Very good. But I'll go back on the stream throughout the week. I'm gonna clip some videos from the stream and so forth, and then also in the Discord I will basically also drop the stream journal both for our members and our new members. Let's quickly see something over here. If you are not in our Discord yet, here's the link in the chat. All good, Ed. Same here. Also gonna be leaving soon. I have to head to Baywest quickly. But before we head to Baywest, let's maybe end it off with a banger here. What can I play? What can I play now? Yeah, let's think about this before we stream even. Just to end the stream off, what can we play? Nah, I can't think of anything. Why can't I think of a song? But okay, let's do. We can't go wrong with this. I don't think we had any problems with this yesterday.
The bad news, the perfect workflow doesn't exist. The good news, you can make it yourself on Monday.com. Let me show you how I...
End it off the bang here. We had a good trade, like we said. Unfortunately, the break even, but you know that's just how the game goes sometimes. Unfortunately, we can't catch them all. But other than that, guys, you guys just have a beautiful, I would say, a few hours until New York session. Please like the stream. Please share it with your friends and family, fellow traders, and let's get as many people on the stream as possible. Let's empower as many people as possible. You guys can see what I'm doing right here with these synthetic indices. You guys see how simple they move. You guys see how simple the entries are. You guys see the type of moves we can catch, the potential that's here. Few of you, one of you guys doubled your account yesterday that are taking a trade with me. So let's keep on sharing this. Please like, subscribe, share the link far and wide. I'm gonna schedule the next stream before I leave now, and then if you guys don't mind, let's share that link, let's spam, and then I mean, if you're gonna be giving away free money, why not, you know? So I'll see you guys later on.